Well, hello there my friends, welcome back to the Scott Ree Project, and today I'm going to show you how to prepare a heart. What a beautiful looking thing. Now this is the same with any heart, lamb, deer or a pig. Now what I want to do for another recipe is a heart crostini or bruschetta, or basically a heart sandwich with some chimichurri. But first of all we need to prepare these beautiful hearts. Just have a look at that. So what I'm going to do is just take the top off and you can have a good look inside there. Beautiful, isn't it? And again with the other side. It's an amazing thing when you weigh it up. As you can see, there's some clots in there, so I'm just going to run these under a cold tap. So that has expelled any blood, any clots. Now what I'm going to do is just cut and open it up like a book. As you can see there, it's beautiful, tugging at the heartstrings, look at that. Now I want to cut off any excess fat. So pretty much straightforward. We're just taking off any cartilage. As you can see, beautiful. Now you can trim off some of that fat. But basically we're just butterflying it out. Because what we want to do is, get that under there, is cut some nice slices, not too thick because we want to pan fry this really quickly. So what I'm going to do now, it's all nice and tidy. Have a look at that. Hey, I mean, if you want to take any more fat off, by all means do. So I'm just going to take that one flap off there and I'm just laying it down and basically just taking, depending on the thickness, nice slices. As you can see there, it gets a little bit thinner. So now what we want to do in the recipe is pan fry these really quickly. You're talking 45 seconds a side, and then on a nice piece of toasted bread. I'm thinking a ciabatta, I think that's how you say it, isn't it? Or ciabatta, and some maybe rocket or some watercress, and then a lovely fresh chimichurri on top, maybe some finely diced tomato, but I'm thinking venison heart crostini, venison heart bruschetta, venison heart sandwich. But there we have the muscle of love, the heart, all ready for the pan. So if you've liked what you've seen here today on the SRP, the Scott Ree Project, please click subscribe when my face comes up down here. Also find me on my social media, 2 pages on Facebook, Scott Ree, the Scott Ree Project. Also find me on Twitter, the Scott Ree Project, and my Instagram, believe it or not, the Scott Ree Project. And also, please check out my Patreon page if you want to share some love. But until next time, when we cook this in a beautiful dish, go and get yourself some hearts. Give yourself some love. Prepare them, ready for the monumental heart dish. It doesn't look anything like it now, does it? Beautiful piece of meat. Take care, my friends. All the best.